Our good friends at Fred Beans Ford in Boyertown, Pennsylvania invited the video crew down today to check out some of the cool cars and trucks they have on their lot. The one we're most excited about seeing is the 2019 Bullitt. So today we're going to give you an up-close look at this awesome car. By now you're probably familiar with the 2019 Bullitt, but it was designed to be memory of the 50 years of the original Bullitt. You guys might remember us shooting a nice video on that a couple months ago with the owner Sean down in Washington, D.C. The 2019 version definitely mimics the original style, but gives you all the performance of a modern car. It's available in two different colors. You can have the Highland green paint, which is me. It's the only way I would order one of these cars. But if you want, it's also available in a black finish. It's going to have special edition black torque thrust style wheels with red Brembo brakes. One of the neat things about the body is there are no emblems anywhere on this car. It is completely devoid of emblems except for the Bullitt gas cap. Gives it a really nice sinister custom look. You have a custom chrome grille on the front, custom chrome window accents, and then of course that Bullitt badge on the back. There's lots of other special little things you may not notice at first glance, like the exhaust tips. Instead of your normal polished or metal tips, they come in black again to give it that more sinister finished look. And then jump inside the Bullitt, and you have Recaro seats with green stitching and a custom Herf shift knob to really mimic the look of the original Herf shifter. Fire it up and it's all modern. With the 401A package included in the Bullitt, you're going to get that LCD cluster, which has a special edition graphics designed just for the Bullitt Mustang. Under the hood, a GT350 cold air kit and custom throttle body bumps it up to 480 horsepower. Now you're wondering, are these going to be limited edition? Well, they are going to limit them. Ford hasn't said how many they're going to make, but they're going to be available for 2019 and 2020. So if you want one, now's the time to grab it. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.